Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a new what's in my bag tour. About a year and a half ago I bought a new bag and did an unboxing for it, and I recently got a new bag for my birthday and I really want to decorate it with you guys and kind of show what I take around on the day if I go out. So let's get straight into this video. In October of 2023, I checked the video. I got this Kipling bag because I've been wanting this one for a while. I didn't unbox in the decorating video. I have been using this bag as my main bag for that whole time. So I feel like I got my money's worth. It's not gonna go anywhere, but I just felt like there was this one bag I really wanted, and my boyfriend got it for me for my birthday. I've been so excited for it. I'm gonna show you in just a second, but I do have a tour for this one and like a decorating kind of thing. I have kept most of the keychains in there. I kind of went for a pom-pom boring theme because I really like the yellow and all of it, and I still have the boba here on the side. It's got the right noise. I love jingling as I walk, so hopefully we can kind of replicate that today. I'm not going to be using the same keychains, but I have some other stuff I want to use. So the bag I got is the Sugarbones Star Kiss bag. This is from a small business in, I think, America, and I have been seeing this bag since last October and I've been wanting it for like such a long time. And I like it that it's a small business, but it's an Ida bag because on the front it has a little open window so you can put pins in there. There's also a little pin panel, but we'll get into that in just a second. I just want to quickly show the website for this like brand because it's so cute. Like, oh, I saw it on TikTok and that's why I found out about this. But basically the bag I have is the Starkest one. You can see she has like Sylvanian families in there, and it comes in a bunch of colors. I really like the blue. I got the marshmallow one if you're wondering, because I thought if I get the marshmallow, depending on the keychains, and kind of like I can make it match my vibe, because I really like the blue one as well. But then like it's only blue, and they have purple, metallic, the black one, the matcha. Like, they're so cute. This brand is so cute. It is quite a bit bigger than my Kipling one. Well, a little bit longer on the side. So let me give you a quick tour what it comes with. One thing I thought was really adorable that came with it was this like magazine for it. So it looks like the magazine for the book. It's only got like 3 pages, but it's got the I would assume the creator and like the owner of the brand posing for all of these like things with all the pictures. Like, it's so cute. And then there's also like a poster type with Loki. It's a cute poster, right? It's a cute poster, and on the back it has a print. So I thought it was a really like cute thing that I came with it. Okay, I don't have that with my bags. So the bag main thing was the little window in the front. So we have 2 little windows with both stars on it, and then in the middle it comes with a little opening, so you can, this is like for display. It's not really for putting anything in, but I guess you could. And it comes with a little panel so you can put pins in there, or you can put something in the front and then something behind it if you still want to use it for storage. Might be a little bit tight squeeze, but that's what that looks like. We're going to be putting some stuff in here, of course, too. The details on this are gold, which is great because I'm like all over about gold. And on every zipper, it's really cute. It has a little heart on the zipper itself, and here we have the embellishment of the logo. It looks really cute. And then on each side there is a little loop for your trinkets and little keychains and stuff, and I love that. Okay, the Kipling one had that too, a lot of places to put on keychains. This one has double. I really like that. And on both sides there is a smaller pocket inside. Oh, there's still foam. Oops. I took this bag for a test drive. I haven't decorated or used it that much, only once, so not the side pockets yet. So let me take that out. The inside is just plain white, and there is a strap on the outside. I'm not quite sure what this is for. Is this maybe for a water bottle? But that's a bit like small if I did. Or maybe more keychains, but I don't know. Does anyone know? I would love to hear. It's on both sides, so it's quite interesting. And the inside is pretty spacious, I would say, like hands width like that. And the inside has a safety pocket here too. In my other bag, I used to put my passport and like important like keys and things you don't want stolen in there because it's just extra secure. So it's nice to have that in that one too. There's no pocket on the other side for lip gloss, but I guess that's on the outside. And the bag also does not have a pocket, but it's nice and smooth. The material is like, wait, maybe you can hear it. it really feels like fabric. It's not that shiny material. It kind of does shine. I don't really know how to describe it, but it feels quite nice. The only thing is that these straps, I think, do look kind of cheap because they kind of like frump up like that. And I don't know how to fix that. Maybe ironing it, but because like it wrinkles like that, I don't know how to make that look nicer than that, but that's just one point. And on each side there's also a clasp, so you can put on the strap that came with it. This one feels really nice. You can see the fabric is super shiny. I really like the strap that comes with it because normally I wear them like that. I don't really use the handles to hold it because it's more convenient to put it around my shoulder. So we got that on both sides, and I guess you could put keychains on there as well. So that is our beginner like tour. I have a few things that I want to decorate it with. I was gonna go for blue, but I don't really have any blue keychains. I got like yellow and pink a lot, and like I'm feeling all the blue right now, as you can see, but I don't have any keychains. So we're gonna go for pink because I think that will still look really cute. So let me show you what I got for today. Starting off strong, I got some lace ribbon. I saw this on the promo picture that they tied it in a bow, and I thought, okay, pink lace, that would be pretty cute. I also have my Melody keychain, which is from Miniso. I'm gonna cut off the tag as well, and it comes with the gold strap, so that's like nice and matchy. Okay, we love to see that. I have this pearl chain thing. Again, the colors just match. This is from, I think, either Primark or on AliExpress. I just like to buy those kind of keychains often. I have a little Rilakkuma light. It's still in the plastic. I want to leave it in the plastic. This was a gift, so I'm not sure where it comes from, but I think it's from Japan. Really, really cute. Again, the colors, you know. I have a baby Sylvanian family with a pink little diaper, I guess. I don't know if I want to put it in the front. This one is a maybe, so we'll see about that. I have two more heart-shaped keyring, and both also have gold details. I got both of these a really long time ago, I think from either Etsy or like some seller on Instagram, but I love me a resin keychain and they look really cute, and they got the bow, so can you see the theme we're going for? And lastly, for in the panel, I think I want to use these pins. I got these gifted from Infold when I was playing Shiny Nikki, and it's like, I feel like it's such a cool thing to own, and I really want to put them more on display because I had these on a little basket in my room, but I think on the back it will probably be better. But I don't know how that's gonna fit yet because I don't know if I can fit two in there. Maybe if I kind of overlap them, or if I should do one. So we're gonna think about that one for a minute. So this is all we got. Let's get to decorating. Starting off with my Melody, I think I want to put it on the side, but like on the back where I'm not holding it, because I feel like if it's in the front it's gonna be annoying. So I think I'm just gonna put it on the same strap that is for the handles. Actually, you can just put it on there, right? All right, that looks good. That's a good start. Next up, I think we should do the ribbons. I don't know if I want to do one or two, so I'm just gonna cut off, do like a pretty big long piece. I don't know how to tie like a nice bow, so fingers crossed I can pull that off. Wait. How does that look? Actually pulled that off. Alright, good for me. I think I only want to do it for one side for now, but we shall see how that turns out. Next up, I think I want to do the pin panel. So I can either do one in the middle, or I kind of overlap them, which I think I prefer. So let me start off with putting the Momo pin in. Alright, it's looking good, and then I'll just have that overlap a little bit. That's fine. Or does that look weird? Now I'm not sure. Wait. Ugh. All right. Let's give it a go. Because the panel kind of like cuts off. Oh, that's so cute. I'm gonna scoot it over like the slightest bit. Okay. I think this is good. We love a noise, doesn't it? All right. Let's put it in, and I think let's try it with the Sylvanian families also in the front. But I don't know if I like that. I don't think so. Let's take it out. It doesn't look right. That's fine. Just keep it just the pins. I'm gonna put this keychain on the other side. I don't know if I want to put both on. Maybe this one is a little bit too purplish than I want it to be. And I'm gonna put this one up here. And then lastly, we have the Kuma, which I'm gonna put on the other strap here. And I think we have decorated. Only thing is, I don't really like how this one is so much on the side. Or do I not? Noise test. I think it looks good. I'm gonna move over this so it's more in the front, I think. I prefer that. And then we'll keep this one on the side. Also, it's a bit much in the front, maybe. All right, there we go. Take number 2. That looks better, I think. I love it. There's a lot going on, which is good. Because this... do the sound test. Okay, now it's time to collect everything or like put everything together. So let me give you a little rundown of everything that's in my bag. Normally, I think it's mostly the same as 2 years ago, but changed it up a little bit, I guess. Starting off very strong, we are gonna put in my e-reader. I have a Kobo Libra and it's all decorated really cute. And I also have a touch pen which I decorated. It's just a Microsoft pen, but it's kind of to like annotate and stuff. And I put it in this clear case. I know it's not the cutest, but it's like made out of plastic, so the dust doesn't get into the side of the screen because I don't have a screen protector that like covers the front. So that's why I have the pouch to put it in. It's from Sostren. I don't know, it's a little store. It's from there, so that's our first item here. Next up, my water bottle. I know everyone hauls around Big Stanley. I think for me, this is the ideal water size because if I drink too much, I don't want to use the restroom when I don't have to when I'm out, you know, kind of thing. And this is just enough to keep me hydrated. It is from Ion 8 is this one, and I think it's like 350 milliliters. And I decorated it with Bee and Puppycat sticker, a Pokemon sticker, and a little duck. And I got these off Etsy, and I just like the way these look. I use this water bottle all the time when I'm out. I also use it when I go swimming, so it's like it's my go-to, and it fits like nicely in purses. So this one, you can just stand up straight and then it can still close, which is like, well, I don't really put it sideways, but like that's like an important one for me. So that's the other one. Next up, my favorite hair clip. It is broken, unfortunately, but we ignore that fact. So it looks really good. Also, if you just clip it onto the side of the back, it's a shade of pink matches. I don't know. And then my 2 wallets. Kind of depends on the mood which one I'm using, but this is still the same from like 2 years ago as well. I have the Rilakkuma baby collection little pass holder, so I just keep my passes in here, and then I have a Pom Pom Porn one for coins, and then also for other passes that I use. I don't know, I just like using 2. I don't need a whole big wallet, that's annoying. So that one goes in there too. Of course, also my passport, so that one goes into the back pocket, so it's secure when I need it. Then a couple more small items. So we have my wired headphones. I just have simple plain pink ones. They're just cheap ones from TK Maxx, I think. Normally I put those in the front pocket, but I don't know if I want to shove them in one of these smaller ones. So actually, maybe that's perfect. Let me just put that in there. Don't worry about it, get tangled. Actually, that's quite nice. Okay, then the other ones, I have my Essence lip oil. This is like my favorite one, the cranberry one. I don't know why I discontinued it, that's their fault, but I'm very saving with this one. And I also have the Hardcore Essence lip balm. This one is really nice because it kind of has a color to it, but I don't think that's gonna fit in the pocket. So let me see if it goes in the side pocket. If I put it sideways, it kind of fits, so that will have to do. In that same one, I will also put the little hair tie that I have for emergencies. That will go in there. And then we have 2 pockets left. I have 2 fidget toys. I have this one, which is like magnetic and it kind of like slides in 2 discs. I don't really use this one as much anymore. I used to. And then we have my favorite one, which is a Tango. I recently got this one new, and I really like the colors on this, like the jelly colors. It just look really cute. If you don't know, they kind of help with stress, and I don't like going out. Sometimes it stresses me out, or sometimes when I'm nervous or anxious, I just... You know, sometimes when you got to, you have to. I don't know. I need these a lot. So they will go in the side pocket here, I think, with this one. And in that same one, I will put my loop headphones. I have these. The case broke, so I'm using a Kinder Egg for it now. But they are noise reducing, but you can still hold the conversation. I think these are the Loop Engage. Again, if you struggle with going outside and like busy places and like talking to people or like holding a conversation while you hear all the noise, like when you're stressed out, like these are my go-to. Every time we go to like a restaurant or something like that, or like we're waiting somewhere in line and I just know like there's just too many people, I put these in, and they are a bit pricey for like what it looks like that it is, but I love these, and that's why they're my main purse, right? I don't go anywhere outside without them. If I forget them, like it's the worst thing ever. So I would just wish the case was better, but I think they improved on it since then. But like a Kinder Egg, it works just fine. So this is like my little help purse side, so we're gonna put the eggs in there too. So I have everything together in case I need that. And then lastly, out of my necessities, I have this little Miffy tin I got from the Amsterdam airport. And it used to hold mints, but I ran out, so I just put gum in there now. And I use like melon flavored gum because I like that one. So we're gonna put that one here in the front because that seems like the perfect size of it. And whoa, that's like a perfect fit. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Okay, so I hauled everything over. The gum helps with the jingle noises, I must say. So that's that. In case anyone was wondering, does your DS fit easily? Yeah, the DS size. I could haul around a lot of DS's in this thing. It'd probably be a bit heavy, also since the water bottle's full. But yeah, it fits. If you want to know for a Switch, because I know a lot of people also have that one, I have a regular size Switch here, and let's see it if it fits. And easily goes in as well, so it does hold pretty nicely. Now let's give it a like a posing test. Okay, wait, let me. Okay, look, okay, yeah. Okay, I'm feeling this a lot, and let me show you what it looks like if I strap it on. It's a bit like long, so it doesn't look that bad. Okay, it's cute. And I prefer my bigger plushies to be in the back because I normally wear it on this shoulder. It's good to switch them around, by the way. If you never do, you should start doing that because else you get lopsided. But besides the point, I prefer wearing it like this, right? You can see the vision. I have wanted this bag for a while and it has not disappointed so far for the one time I used it, and now after decorating I feel like it's really my own. I hope in the future to get some more blue keychains maybe, also a blue plush keychain so I can put those on. So again, if you get the white one and you switch out, you're like me, you're like a little trinket hoarder, you can kind of switch out depending on the colors of keychains that you have and like chains and ribbons, and you can really change the style. That's why I think that one's a lot of fun. I still will be using my Kipling, but the color is more for my winter clothing, so I might switch back in the winter, but I normally stick to one purse for, I don't know, 1 to 2 years, and then sometimes I switch around for like a day or two, but I have like a main purse, if you get what I mean, right? I think hopefully this will be my main purse for a while because I really like it, and it fits a lot of stuff. Okay, I can hold my DS, e-reader, there's still more space, so I'm still as happy with this in a while as I am right now. And maybe if you were deciding to getting a new bag, or you saw this online and you found this video that you want to get it now, I hope so. Support a small business and looks good. So thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!